Students, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 4, that is sorting materials into groups. First keyword is hard. It is not soft, solid and firm to the touch. Next keyword is insoluble. Some substances do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time. These substances are insoluble in water. Next keyword is luster. Luster is a gentle shining light that is reflected from a surface. Next keyword is material. A material is a substance or mixture of substances that constitutes an object. Materials can be pure or impure, living or non-living matter. Next keyword is metals. A solid material which is typically hard, shiny, malleable, fusible and ductile with good electrical and thermal conductivity. Next keyword is opaque, not transparent or translucent, impenetrable to light, not allowing light to pass through. Next keyword is rough, substances having a coarse or uneven surface, as from projections, irregularities, not smooth, known as rough. Next keyword is soluble. Some substances have completely disappeared or dissolved in water. We say that these substances are soluble in water. Next keyword is translucent. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. Last keyword is transparent. Those substances or materials through which things can be seen are called transparent objects. Now questions answers. First question, name 5 which can be made from wood. Answer, first chair, second table, third desk, fourth bullock cart and fifth cupboard. Now question number 2. Select those objects from the following which sign. Objects are glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. Answer, glass bowl and steel spoon. Now question number 3. Match the objects given below with the materials from which they could be made. Remember, an object could be made from more than one material and a given material could be used for making many objects. There are 2 columns. In first column there are objects and in second column there are materials. So objects are book, tumbler, chair, toy, shoes. Materials are glass, wood, paper, leather, plastics. Now material of book is paper. Now materials of tumbler are glass and plastics. Now material of chair are wood and plastics. Now material of toy are wood and plastics. Now material of shoes is leather. Now question number 4. State whether the statements given below are true or false. First statement, stone is transparent while glass is opaque. This statement is false. Next statement, a notebook has luster while eraser does not. This statement is false. Next statement, chalk dissolves in water. This statement is false. Next statement, a piece of wood floats on water. This statement is true. Next statement, sugar does not dissolve in water. This statement is false. Next statement, oil mixes with water. This statement is false. Next statement, sand settles down in water. This statement is true. Next statement, vinegar dissolves in water. This statement is true. Now question number 5. Given below are the names of some objects and materials. Objects and materials are water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. Group them as first grouping name is round shaped and other shapes. For round shaped, materials and objects are basketball, orange, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. For other shapes, material and object are water and sugar. Now another group, eatables and non-eatables. For eatables, material and objects are water, orange, sugar, and apple. For non-eatables group, material and objects are basketball, globe, and earthen pitcher. Now question number 6. List all items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on an oil or kerosene. So first part of the answer is items that float on water. Items are wood, oil, plastic sheet, wax, ice, thermocol. Second part of the answer, items that float on oil. Items are wood, plastic sheet, wax, thermocol. Now third part of the answer, items that float on kerosene. Items are plastic sheet and thermocol. Now question number 7. Find the odd one out from the following. First question, chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Answer is baby. Reason is baby is living, others are non-living. Second question, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Answer is boat. Reason is boat is non-living, others are living. Now next question, aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Answer is sand. Reason is sand is not metal, others are metals. Next question, sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Answer is sand. Reason is sand is insoluble in water, others are soluble in water. That's it.